Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Blackstone 1554 Gas Grill. Take outdoor cooking to new levels with this Blackstone. It offers the traditional taste of barbecuing so you can enjoy your favorite foods. This gas grill fits for 16 steaks or 72 hot dogs. This grill is simple to use and easy to assemble, so you'll be cooking in no time. Eliminate the hassle of kerosene, charcoal, and matches. This grill includes an easy start, battery-powered push-button ignition. With the simple push of a button, your griddle is ready to go. Take the headache away from outdoor cooking and spend more time enjoying the outdoors. There have 4 adjustable heat zones, makes for a versatile cooking surface where you can cook several foods at once and not burn a thing. No fuss ignition. Electric push-button igniter for a fast start every time. Number 2 in this best griddle for gas grill list is griddle-Q GQ230 Gas Grills. The little griddle GQ230 griddle is the perfect barbecue grilling accessory for your gas grill. The GQ230 allows you to cook complete meals at one time and is the perfect outdoor cookware for everything from pancakes and eggs at sunrise to a Mongolian barbecue in the evening. It makes a perfect barbecue gift. Take it camping, tailgating, to the park, or just grilling outdoors. The GQ230 is made from 100% restaurant-grade stainless steel, one of the safest outdoor cooking surfaces, unlike common steel which contains lead. The GQ230's formed grease well makes cleanup a snap. Other great features include the 2-inch sidewalls to keep food on the griddle, and removable handles for easy transport. This professional-style griddle comes with a limited lifetime warranty, guaranteed not to chip, twist, or bend. Cook up breakfast, lunch, or dinner in the fresh outdoors on this solid stainless steel grilling accessory. Keep the kitchen clean of frying pans and free from lingering odors. Cook big meals in a jiffy and be the hit of the next tailgate party. The GQ230 is great for Mexican or Japanese style parties, or just to cook up some grilled cheese sandwiches in the backyard for a bunch of hungry kids. For details, let's watch more.
Getting to eat a teppanyaki style meal is usually a special occasion. It's something where you have to go to a very specialized restaurant and they have to have a special grill set up. A chef with special training has to make food for you. They make it to order, it's very delicious, but usually it's as much about the show as it is the food, and it also tends to be very, very expensive. And so even if you like it a great deal, for most people, it's not something they get to experience with any regularity. It's special occasion food. The cool thing about a little griddle is that it can make any time a special occasion. With a tool like a piece of little griddle cookware, you can cook a beautiful teppanyaki style meal in your backyard anytime you feel like it, and you're going to get the full experience. But in some ways it's going to be better because the cost is a lot lower, and the food comes out to perfection exactly how you want it. You can make an absolutely beautiful steak. You can make sautéed vegetables on the griddle that are as good as anything that you're going to get at a teppanyaki grill. And you can do them for a lot less cost. Sometimes people might ask, why would you want to make a steak on the griddle when you have a grill right underneath the griddle that is perfectly capable of making a great steak? The answer to that is that until you've tried it, it's difficult to understand what the griddle is capable of doing to that meat that makes it so delicious. By cooking on the griddle, you can put a sear on that meat that puts a delicious crust on the outside and also locks in all the juice, and so the meat stays moist and extremely tender. If you make a steak on the little griddle, you turn up the heat and you get the griddle nice and preheated, and you put the steak down on the griddle surface and you get that crust going. Look at the sear we put on that steak. That is something that you would have to go out and pay $50 for at a high-end steakhouse. You can make this in your backyard, anytime you feel like it. That's pretty special.
Our third pick is Cuisinart CGG-501 Gas Griddle. If you're looking for easy and versatile cooking at home, the basics to breakfast and beyond, you can cook just about anything on a griddle. Flat top cooking can be found in just about every cultural cuisine from Japan to Spain to the US. The Cuisinart Gourmet 2-burner gas griddle is designed to look great on your patio while still offering the portability to take it to the tailgate, campsite, or anywhere your culinary creativity is needed. If you need an all-in-one outdoor cooking appliance or something to expand your culinary creativity at home or away, then this product is for you. The Cuisinart Gourmet 2-burner gas griddle features independent burners that can produce 20,000 BTUs of heat, which is plenty of power to cook any meal. A twist ignition makes it super easy to light, and a dial for each burner gives the same kind of control as a professional-grade griddle. It's all the flexibility you want in griddle. Let's watch more. Fourth pick in our best gas griddle list is Camp Chef Flat Top Grill. Cooking a lot of food is easy when using Camp Chef's Flat Top Grill. The large surface area will enhance your cooking experience, giving you plenty of room to work so cooking is done efficiently. Included is an interchangeable flat top griddle, making it easy to cook pancakes, bacon and eggs, sausage and hash browns all at once. Then switch to grilled burgers, kebabs, and chicken for the next meal. 4 individual burners provide heat in specific areas, creating heat zones that will help you manage hot foods. Built-in matchless ignition knobs control the heat and flame. Fold-down side shelves and roller wheels are added for convenience. Last in our this list is Blackstone Gas Griddle. As outdoor enthusiasts always searching for a quality outdoor griddle that could cook for large groups or families, then Blackstone is the best choice for every outdoor enthusiast. This unit comes equipped with Blackstone's new and improved side shelf, giving the user a removable cutting board, convenient paper towel holder, and strategically placed trash bag hooks. A cooktop big enough for parties or catering events. That said, the 4 adjustable burners make it possible to use just 1 or 2 burners when cooking for a single person. Griddles aren't just for breakfast foods and stir-fry. Cook everything from steak to chicken and fish to vegetables. When cooking on this flat top, not only do you retain all the flavor and juices in your food, but you can still get that sought-after crisp wherever preferred. There have 4 adjustable heat zones, makes for a versatile cooking surface where you can cook several foods at once and not burn a thing. Also allowing the option to keep certain foods warm while others cook.